Hello everyone, in this video today we will do examples and exercise 12.1. Example 3 of your book is express 4 raised to power minus 3 as a power with base 2. First of all, we can write 4 as 2 raised to power 2 because 4 means 2 into 2 means 2 raised to power 2. Now 4 raised to power 3 is given to you, and instead of 4 you will write 2 raised to power 2 and raised to power minus 3. Now you have learned this property that a raised to power m raised to power n, here it will become a raised to power mn, means both the powers will be multiplied. Here also this property we will use and multiply the powers. So you will get 2 raised to power minus 6. So this is the result. Example number 4 is simplify and write the answer in exponential form. The first part is given to you, 2 raised to power 5 divide 2 raised to power 8 whole power 5 multiply 2 raised to power minus 5. First of all we will solve this bracket. So what is the rule for a raised to power m divide a raised to power n? Powers will be subtracted here. The rule is a raised to power m divide a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m minus n. It means 2 raised to power 5 minus second power is 8. So it will become 2 raised to power minus 3. 5 minus 8 means bigger minus smaller sign of bigger. This will come in the bracket and here 5 will come. Now the second rule we will apply here, a raised to power m to the power n. This will be a raised to power mn, means we will multiply both the powers. You will get minus 15 and 2 raised to power minus 5. Now you observe here, when the bases are same, powers will be added. So you add the power here, you will get 2 raised to power minus 15 and minus 5 will be minus 20. But if you have to write the answer in positive power, you can write it as 2 raised to power 20 in the denominator. So this is the result. Now example 4 second part, minus 4 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power minus 3 and minus 5 raised to power minus 3. We have to simplify it and give the answer in exponential form. Now you are observing here that when we here also power is given minus 3. The powers of all the bases are same, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So we will multiply the bases and power will remain same, because this was the rule that a raised to power m, b raised to power m is equal to a into b raised to power m, means power remains same and base will be multiplied. Same rule we are applying here. Bases will multiply and power will remain same. So when you multiply, minus and minus will become plus in the multiplication, and 5 4s are 20 and 25s are 100 raised to power minus 3, and to make the power positive you will write 1 upon 100 raised to power 3. This is the result. Now come to fourth part. I am not taking all the parts. Some parts you do yourself and some I am explaining you. Now this part is 5 by 3 raised to power 4. Now children, we can write minus 3 as minus 1 into 3 raised to power 4, and this we can write separately, 5 raised to power 4 upon 3 raised to power 4. Why I have separated? Because 3 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 4 will cancel. So you write here minus 1, I am separating these two numbers, and 3 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 4 upon 3 raised to power 4. These both can cancel, or you can say according to the rule, when same base are there and these are divided, so power will be subtracted. You can write this according to the rule. So minus 1 raised to power 4 means if minus 1 raised to even powers, it will become positive 1. The result will be positive then. And 3 raised to power 0 means 1. You can write is 3 raised to power 0, 5 raised to power 4. Next step, 1 into 5 raised to power 4. Now we have to simplify. So the result is 5 raised to power 4, because in the question it is asked that you have to give the answer in exponential form. So the result you will write in only in exponential form. So this is the result. Children, see example number 5. Find the value of m so that minus 3 raised to power m plus 1 multiply minus 3 raised to power m equal to minus 3 raised to power 7. Here this equality is given to you and you have to find out the value of m. Now see, here the bases are same and multiply sign is there. A raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. It means we have to in the base will come same and the power we have to add. M plus n means first power plus next, and it will be equal to minus 3 raised to power 7. Now you can write it as m plus 6 is equal to minus 3 raised to power 7. Now base are same, both the base are same, so we can equate the powers. When bases are same, you can equate the powers. You write also here bases are same, equate the powers. Now we can write the powers only and equate them. Now this 6 will transfer to or transpose to right hand side and it will become 7 minus 6 m equal to 1. So this is the result. Now come to example number 7. We have to simplify this expression. Now first of all, this power is given negative. To make it positive, we will do the reciprocal of the number given inside. We can write as 3 raised to power 2 and here we can write it as 2 raised to power 3 and divide. Here you can write 4 raised to power 2. Now 3 raised to power 2 means 9 and 2 raised to power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 8. Divide, it will come 16 here and 9 minus 8 will be 1. 1 divide 16, it means the result is 1 by 16. Now come to the next part. 5 by 8 raised to power minus 7 multiply 8 by 5 raised to power minus 5. Here you can write 5 raised to power minus 7 upon 8 raised to power minus 7 into 8 raised to power minus 5 divided by 5 raised to power minus 5. I have separated numerator and denominator. Now combine all the terms of same base, like 5 raised to power minus 7 and here negative power is in the denominator. To make it positive, I will take it in the numerator. So it will become positive 5. Same way this will remain same. This negative power will come here and become positive. So 5 raised to power minus 2, because minus 7 plus 5 will be minus 2, and 8 raised to power 7 minus 5, 2 will come. Now it will become 8 raised to power 2. We can write, to make it positive, we will write 5 square in the denominator. Now 8 square means 64 and 5 square means 5 into 5 25. This is the result. Now I am telling you one more way to solve this example. Now in this we will change this power to positive. So make it positive. How you will make it positive? By taking the inverse of the number given inside. So it will become 8 by 5 raised to power 7 into 8 by 5 raised to power minus 5. See here, now the bases are same. So the powers will be added. We will add the powers. What will be the result now? 7 minus 5 will become 2. Now 8 square upon 5 square. 8 square will be 64 and 5 square will be 25. This way also we can do this example. Come to exercise. Question number 1 is evaluate. I am taking second part of this question. This is given minus 4 raised to power minus 2. We have to find out the result. Now when power is negative, how do you make it positive? By taking the inverse of the number given inside. So it will become 1 upon minus 4, because minus 4 is equal to minus 4 by 1. When we will take the inverse, means reciprocal of this will become 1 upon minus 4 and power will become now positive. So it will become minus 4 into minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 4 will become 16. So 1 by 16 is the result. Come to third part. 1 by 2 raised to power minus 5. To make it positive, it will become 2 raised to power, reciprocal of this number, 2 raised to power 5, and when you will solve it, you will get the result. Come to question number 2. Question number 2 is simplify and give the result in power notation with positive power, with positive exponent. Now come to the first part of this question. Minus 4 raised to power 5 divide minus 4 raised to power 8. A raised to power m divide a raised to power n. What is the rule? A raised to power m minus n. So we will subtract the powers. Bases are same here. So subtract the powers. Power is given here 8. I will subtract 8. It will become 5 minus 8 will become minus 3. To make it positive, it will become 1 by minus 4 power 3. So 1 upon minus 4 raised to power 3 also we can write. This is the result. Question number 2, third part is same as example 4 of fourth part. You see in your book yourself and do. Now come to fourth part. Fourth part is 3 raised to power minus 7 divide 3 raised to power minus 10, and in the bracket it will come out multiply 3 raised to power minus 5. Now to solve this, we will solve the bracket first of all. Same base but division sign. What will come? 3 raised to power in the division, when base are same, power will be subtracted. So subtract the powers. Sign of subtraction. First power, subtraction sign, and then second power. Now here minus 7 plus 10 will come, because before bracket minus sign, the sign of the sign given inside will be changed. It will become positive 10. Now 3 raised to power 3 will come. 10 minus 7, 3 will come, and 3 raised to power minus 5 will come. Now here base are same, multiplication sign is given, so power will be added. We have to add the powers. What will be the result now? 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. To make it positive, it will become 1 by 3 square. So this is the result, because we have to give the result in the power notation with positive exponent. Come to question number 3. Find the value of, and the expression is given to you this. Now any non-zero number raised to power 0 will become 1, and 4 raised to power minus 1 will be 1 by 4, and 2 raised to power 2 means 4. Now solve this bracket by taking the LCM. 1 plus 1 by 4, you will get this. Now it will be 5 by 4 into 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled, and the result will be 5 here. Now come to second part of the same question. 2 raised to power minus 1 into 4 raised to power minus 1, divide 2 raised to power minus 2. 2 raised to power minus 1 we can write as 1 by 2. 4 raised to power minus 1 we can write it as 1 by 4, divide 1 by 2 square, because it is given minus 2, make it positive. Now when you will solve this bracket, you will get 1 by 8, and divide sign change into multiply, and reciprocal of it you will write down 2 square. 1 by 8 into 2 square means 4. Now do the cancelling. 4 ones are 4 twos are, and the result will be 1 by 2. Third part is given to you. 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2. To make this power positive, we will write 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 2. Now solve it yourself. 2 raised to power 2, solve it, add, and you will get the answer. I am coming to fifth part now. In the fifth part, it is given that minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2, and the big bracket, then it is given power 2. Whole power is 2 given. Now a raised to power m raised to power n. This law will apply here. So we will multiply both exponents, both powers. So what will come? Minus 2 into 2, it will become minus 4. To make the power positive, write the inverse. Inverse will be minus 3 by 2, and power will be positive now. So minus 3 raised to power 4 upon 2 raised to power 4. Minus 3 raised to power 4 means minus 3 multiply itself 4 times. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, you will get 81, and 2 raised to power 4 means 2 is multiplied 4 times, and it will become 16. So this is the result. Come to question number 4. Evaluate 8 raised to power minus 1 into 5 raised to power 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 4. First of all, I'll make the powers positive. I'll take 2 raised to power 4 in the numerator. This is positive power, and 8 minus 1 I'll write in the denominator to make it positive. So now 2 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 3, in place of 8 we will do the prime factorization. You will get it 2 raised to power 3. We can write 8 as 2 raised to power 3. Now combine the, now see, base are same, and the 2 by 4 divide 2 by 3 is given, power will be subtracted. It will become 4 minus 3, and here 5 into power 5 raised to power 3 is given. So 2 raised to power 4 minus 3 will become 1, and 5 raised to power 3 means 5 is multiplied 3 times, and when you will multiply this, 2 5s are 10, 5s are 50, 5s are 250. This is the result. In this question number 5, we have to find out the value of m. This expression is given to you. Now see, divide sign is given and base are same. When base are same, divide sign is given, subtract the powers. Now I will subtract the powers. It will become this. Now before bracket sign is minus, so minus and minus will become plus. It will become m plus 3. Now again base are same, we can equate the powers. Now equate the powers because base are same. M plus 3 equal to 5 we can write. So m is equal to 5 minus 3 and m is equal to 2. This is the result of this question. Question number 6 is evaluate, and this expression is given to you. You have to find out the value. Now 1 by 3 raised to power minus 1 is given. You can write it as 3 raised to power 1. 1 by 4 raised to power minus 1 you can write as 4 raised to power 1. Now after bracket power is given to you minus 1. Solve it. 3 minus 4. It is 3 minus 4 raised to power minus 1. 3 minus 5 will be minus 1 raised to power minus 1. Now to make the power positive, reciprocal of this will be again minus 1. 1 by 1. And then you will do with the reciprocal. It will again becomes minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 1 will come now. Now power 1 is there, means one time you have to multiply minus 1 and the result will be minus 1 here. Now come to the second part. Second part is 5 by 8 raised to power minus 7 into 8 by 5 raised to power minus 4. 5 by 8 you can write 5 by 8 raised to power minus 7, and this expression you can write 5 by 8 raised to power 4. To make this power positive, I have took the inverse of the number given inside. Why I am doing so? Because now the bases will be same and power we can add. The question will be easier now. Now 5 by 8 base are same. You can add the powers. Powers are minus 7 plus 4. So it will become 5 by 8 raised to power minus 3. And minus 5 raised to power minus 3 means, now make the power positive. When you will make the power positive, it will become 8 by 5 raised to power 3. When you will solve it, 8 raised to power 3, it will be 8 into 8 into 8, and it will be 512, and 5 into 5 into 5 will be 125. One more way to solve this question is, you can do as 5 raised to power minus 7 upon 8 raised to power minus 7, 8 raised to power minus 4 upon 5 raised to power minus 4. Now we can collect their powers. How? Here it is minus 7 and minus 4 will go in the numerator and it will become positive. Same way minus 8 raised to power minus 4 and this power will go up and it will become positive. Now 5 raised to power minus 3 and 8 raised to power 3. Again it will become 8 raised to power 3, and this power is negative, make it positive, it will go in the denominator and it will become 8 raised to power 3 upon 5 raised to power 3. When you will solve this, you will get 512 upon 125. 8 cube means 512 and 5 cube means 125. This is the result. This way also you can do your sum. Both ways I have explained you. Question number 7 is, you have to simplify this given to you. Now here these numbers are given to you. Compose it. First of all we will make as prime numbers. These numbers as prime numbers. So 5 we can write as 5 square, 5 into 5, and 10 we can write as 2 into 5. In place of 10 we will write 2 into 5. Now first of all I'll collect the terms, those powers, those base are same, like 5 raised to power 2 is given to you, minus 3 will become positive when I'll take it in the numerator. Here 5 raised to power 1, when I will take it in the numerator it will become minus 1. Now I have collected all the powers of 5. Now come to t raised to power minus 4 is given to you, and see in the denominator it is minus 8. When I will take in the numerator it will become positive 8, and 2 is left in the denominator. Now 5 raised to power, it will become 5 minus 1, 4. T raised to power, again 8 minus 4 will become 4 upon 2. 5 raised to power 4 means 625. T raised to power 4 upon 2. This is the result. So this was all about exercise 12.1.